What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, and we continue our hashtag road to SEMA. We've already painted some of the interior parts, but now we're going to continue and prep the rest of them. So let's get to work. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. We are using the Colorbond carpet paint, which dries in 45 seconds to the touch. We're going to make sure that the carpets are thoroughly clean, stain free, and that they are dry. We're going to go ahead and hit this with the vacuum first. Make sure both mats are clean and dry. In the directions it says to use a brush to nap the fibers. So let's see how it looks. Alright, let's get to work. Wow guys, look at these carpets. They look amazing. They look brand new. Colorbond Paint really brought back the paint into these carpets. Especially with matting, I'm surprised that it made the difference. Right here we have the back part of the trunk. It also is a carpet material. So we're going to do the same process, repeat. Make sure we vacuum and clean them and get to paint. Let's do it, guys. Alright guys, so we hit the carpet with the carpet refinisher from Colorbond, and take a look at these carpets. They look amazing. Both the driver and passenger side look great. We also hit the handbrake with the Protect color. Check out this handbrake, it looks amazing. Thank you Colorbond again for this paint. It's really coming out great. Alright guys, so these are the rest of the parts that we're going to be painting black. They have already been hit with the prick cleaner, sanded, and cleaned. Now we're going to hit them with the adhesion promoter. Right after, we're going to hit them with the black paint to restore that black finish that you used to have. Let's get to work. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. We'll see you guys at the next one. Peace.